This week, two Brown University professors traveled to the White House to meet with President Barack Obama.
This was all part of their new vision for brain research. President Obama announced that he will allocate $100 million for more scientific, in-depth studies.
Eyewitness News reporter Shantae Lands sat down with one of those professors today. She joins us in the newsroom now with the details that are new at 5:30.
Brown University professor John Donahue was invited to the White House. He learned this week that his proposal was accepted by President Barack Obama. Neuroscience professor John Donahue sits in a crowd of distinguished scientists in the East Room of the White House to listen to President Barack Obama.
Oh, it was very exciting.
A moment Donahue wasn't sure would come. As the director of the Institute for Brain Science at Brown University, he teamed up with 9 other scientists from across the country to present a proposal last spring to the federal government asking for funding for more in-depth research on the brain.
We had been getting very enthusiastic support, and we had heard something was in the offing, and we had been told to be prepared to maybe come to Washington for some kind of meeting on a moment's notice.
That notice was on Friday. Professor Donahue traveled to D.C. on Tuesday.
Right up to the very minute that we heard the announcement, we didn't exactly know what was going to be said.
President Barack Obama announced his Brain Grand Challenge, a $100 million national initiative to get a much better understanding of how the human brain works.
I think, the idea that we're going to understand the brain in 10 years or fully understand the brain in 10 years or a decade is probably not realistic.
Donahue thinks a decade is enough time to make strides in brain diseases like Alzheimer's and schizophrenia, as well as advancing technology.
We're hoping with this new brain initiative that instead of controlling a robot arm, that a person who's paralyzed could someday control their own arm through electronics inside their body.
Professor Donahue and other scientists from across the country will have their first meeting next month. Reporting in the newsroom, Shantae Lands, Eyewitness News.